This is Budapest, capital of Hungary and one of the greatest cities in the heart of Europe. It's famous for its thermal springs, the San Stefan Basilica, and its rich cultural heritage. But now Hungary is about to be known for something else, leading the world in using the latest 5G cellular technology to make the rail industry safer and far more efficient.
I'm here to visit the EWG Intermodal terminal in eastern Hungary, which is 285 kilometers and a 4-hour train ride from Budapest. Fortunately, Tamás Bode has agreed to ride with me. He works for Huawei, which provided the 5G network for the EWG site.
Tamás, why did you use 5G technology for the installation rather than Wi-Fi?
Well, actually, it was a no-brainer, to be honest. Wi-Fi is a great tool. Inside the office building, Wi-Fi is the best solution. It's more cost-effective, all the devices are supporting it. However, outdoors, we need to provide a solution which is fit to purpose. In this case, the requirements were very high uplink bandwidth, reliability, very low latency, and guaranteed latency, especially in this huge area. Wi-Fi, best effort compared to 5G, which is guaranteed service.
Tamás, do you think the technology that you've deployed at EWG could also have applications in other industries?
Actually, some of the knowledge which we have applied here in the rail industry is coming from sea transportation. So we have already done many projects like that. In many countries, including Hungary, we are refarming 3G, 4G frequencies and moving everything to 5G because of higher reliability, much better security standards than previous technologies, and much higher spectral and energy efficiency.
Hungary has been a key staging post on the Silk Road for thousands of years. Today, most goods are carried from east to west by train. But there's an issue, literally a disconnect. The railway tracks here in the east are a different width to the ones here in the west.
And here, at the EWG terminal, right in the epicenter of Europe, is where cargo is transferred from one gauge of railway to the next.
So it looks like we've turned up at a really good time, because today EWG is celebrating its first 6 months of safe, uninterrupted, scheduled operation.
In the old days, moving freight from one rail line to the next was an inefficient, expensive, and dangerous process. Railway cars had to be tracked manually, and the containers removed by crane operators in cabs 30 meters off the ground. What makes the new EWG terminal unique is that the entire site is connected over a 5G cellular network. That includes the cranes, which are remotely operated from here in the safety and comfort of this state-of-the-art control room. One thing that you really notice about EWG is that the staff here is a lot more diverse than you'd usually expect operating heavy equipment at a railway terminal. And that's one of the benefits of using 5G to enable industrial applications. What matters now is not how many years of experience you have in operating trains or cranes, but IT skills.
Darukezelő operátor vagyok. Igazából összességében egy 3-4 hónap elett hozzá. Igen, rendszeresen játszom, van PlayStation 4-em, otthon valami PlayStation VR-om, ami virtuális valóságot takar egyébként. Természetesen 21 évesen nagyon jó 5G technológiával foglalkozni, másnak is ajánlanám, akit érdekel az 5G-s technológia.
The EWG terminal here is absolutely massive, and that's one reason why it opted to use 5G technology to provide the connectivity for the facility.
Now, a lot of people think of 5G as purely a consumer technology, but its developers included a huge wealth of features for use in private 5G industrial applications like the one here at EWG. What challenges did you have to overcome to build the facility here so quickly?
Volt egy vízióm, hogy a világ legmodernebb szárazföldi terminált építem meg, de közben az élet felülírta a dolgokat, hiszen jött a Covid, aztán jött a szomszédban a háború, de mégis sikerült ezt a terminált megépítenünk mindösszesen 14 hónap alatt.
Did you try out any other 5G solutions before you selected Huawei, and in what way was their solution superior?
Próbálkoztunk több technológiai megoldással is. és a végén a Huawei mellett kötöttünk ki, mert ő volt képes egyedül azt a technikai színvonalat hozni, amit a daruk működtetéséhez szükséges volt.
Do you think this technology could be of use in any other industries?
Igen, én azt gondolom, hogy a privát 5G hálózatok azok az iparnak egy nagyon erős jövőképet adnak. A kockázatok lecsökkennek, sokkal hatékonyabbá válik a munkavégzés, az információáramlás magán a technológián belül sokkal gyorsabbá válik. Ugye a terminál egy jó hívószó, hiszen ha egy ilyen terminált meg lehet építeni egy területen, akkor ott nem lehet probléma bármilyen más beruházást megépíteni.
Tell us a little bit about the relationship between EWG and Huawei. It's a giant company and you're a big company, but not quite as big as they are.
Igen, hát nyilván voltak aggályaim, voltak kétségeim, hogy fogunk mi tudni együttműködni egy ilyen világméretű, a világban meghatározó céggel, és nagyon pozitív élményeim vannak. Ez az együttműködés példátlanul sikeres volt, eredményes és nagyon hatékony, hiszen azért ők sem voltak ehhez hozzászokva, hogy ilyen rövid idő alatt kell tudni egy ilyen műszaki színvonalú létesítményt átadni, ráadásul úgy, hogy Európában még ilyen működő referencia, ami nem a Huawei területén van, nincsen.
The benefits of digitization at this facility have been phenomenal. EWG can now handle 1 million containers per year. That's twice the number of the facilities on the border of Belarus and Poland. It's one of the best examples I've seen of how next generation technologies like 5G, cloud and AI are revolutionizing industries around the world.